A is for ant. Look, an ant. The ant is very small. It walks on the ground. Can you say it? A, ant. B is for balloon. This is a balloon. It's big and light. The balloon goes up in the sky. B, balloon. C is for cloud. See the cloud in the sky. It looks soft. It moves slowly. C, uncloud. D is for duck. Here's a duck. The duck says quack. It likes to swim in water. D, duck. E is for eggs. This is an egg. It's small and round. We have to be careful with it. E, egg. F is for frog. Look at the frog. The frog can jump. Jump, jump. F, frog. G is for grapes. These are grapes. They are sweet and tasty. Do you like grapes? G, grapes. H is for hat. This is a hat. We wear it on our head. It keeps us safe from the sun. H, hat. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold. It tastes very nice. Yum. I, ice cream. J is for jump. Let's jump together. Up and down. Good job. J, jump. K is for key. This is a key. The key opens a door. Turn the key. K, key. L is for leaf. Look at the leaf. It is green. It falls down from the tree. L, leaf. M is for moon. This is the moon. We see it at night. It shines in the sky. M, moon. N is for nose. This is your nose. Touch your nose. Good job. N, nose. O is for octopus. Look at the octopus. It lives in the water. It has many arms. O, octopus. P is for panda. This is a panda. It is soft and cute. The panda eats bamboo. P, panda. Q is for queen. Here is a queen. She wears a crown. Stand tall like a queen. Q, queen. R is for rain. Rain falls from the sky. Drop, drop. Rain helps plants grow. R, rain. S is for sun. This is the sun. It is bright and warm. The sun is in the sky. S, sun. T is for teddy. Here's a teddy bear. It is soft. You can hug it. T, teddy. U is for umbrella. This is an umbrella. We use it in the rain. Open, close. U, umbrella. V is for van. Look at the van. The van drives on the road. Vroom, vroom. V, van. W is for whale. This is a whale. It is very big. It swims in the ocean. W, whale. X is for xylophone. This is a xylophone. It makes music. Tap, tap. X, xylophone. Y is for yarn. Here's some yarn. It is soft. We can roll it. Y, yarn. Z is for zebra. This is a zebra. It has black and white stripes. Z, zebra. You did very well today. I'm proud of you. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.